All right, folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here. We want to take up the Shrike again, see what we can do. Well, I really see them lights now. Get up over the sun here. Well, I do. I do love all kinds of RC planes, but I think as far as relaxing, just really fun to fly planes, I do love my sport gliders. It's just they're elegant and how they move. But all that's, you know, the finesse in which you move the sticks and how you, your input on your sticks, how delicate or how strong each of your inputs are. That's one of the reasons why Expo is so important and so needed. Now, a lot of your older guys, they don't believe in it and stuff like that. But I'll be honest, when they were learning, if they would have had Expo and stuff like that, they would have used it. But the discipline behind that, though, and what they're trying to say is knowing your aircraft, feeling your aircraft. And I agree with that. I agree to that to a certain extent, is because you have to be able to feel that plane. You have to be able to feel it through your controls. People say, how's she feel? How's she feel? Well, only an experienced pilot who's developed that feeling can tell you how she feels. You know. And once you get to that point, I've said it many times, once you get to the point where you can feel that aircraft through your transmitter, you're able to feel what she's doing. At that point, you don't need safe and stabilizations and all that anymore. You don't need it anymore. Look at that beautiful silhouette. Once you're able to feel that airplane, and you know what she's doing just by the way she feels on the sticks, that's when you know you're in that. That's when you've reached that point where you actually now can truly start. And what I mean by that, now you can develop and get into other planes, other types of wings, other types of configurations. Can really open the world up to you. And but you got to get that point. Whatever plane you're very confident with, preferably a 4-channel plane. And if you're very, very confident, get to that point to where you can feel the plane through the sticks. You know what it's doing. You can feel it. When you get to that point, then you're good to go. That's the biggest threshold to get to. Well, that's a good-looking bird, isn't it? Boy, she is. She's a good-looking bird. I'll tell you, you get this, folks, you can get this plane from Motion RC. It is the SKYNETIC brand. That's their in-house brand at Motion RC. Great. If I had to pick a company, the top 3 companies, in my opinion, for planes is, of course, first, as you guessed, Horizon Hobby. And then that's what you want to do. You want to bring her nice and level on her belly. Well, you have to, no landing gear. But my first company that I would pick would be Horizon Hobby. After that, I would pick Hobby Zone. And after that, I would pick Motion RC. Those 3 companies make premier planes. They've got incredible customer service. You know, the whole point, you know, they don't want to sell a plane and leave you. They want you to they want to sell you a plane, and then you come back for help and for questions. Because you know what? If you have a pleasant experience, it's just good business. If you have a pleasant experience and they help you, guess what? You're very apt to buy another plane from them. And that's the name of the game. That's business. So If they sell you a plane and you have a terrible experience, now they can't help it if you out and out crash it. I mean, that's your fault. But if it's the fault of the plane, then those companies are going to make it right, because they want your business. Isn't that beautiful? They want your business. You know, they want you to come back, and they want to say, you know what, I crashed the plane, they got it, there was something wrong with it. You know what they did? They sent me out a new plane, and they put me out the parts to fix it, or they took care of me. See, and that's what they want. That's what they want you to be able to tell your friends. It's business. There's nothing more than that. They're in the business of making these planes and selling you another plane. So, well, anyways, those three come. This is Motion RC's brand, just like e-flite is Horizon Hobby's brand. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? There's no wind here today, so it doesn't matter what direction I land in. One of them lights. Well, there you go. That is the SKYNETIC SHRIKE. Great plane. I highly recommend it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Fat Guy Flies RC, and God bless y'all.